Alright, my people, we're going. They don't know it's a boy. Do all the way out here again, guys. Big up on the step over there in a Jamaica land we love. Now, guys, where they are, basically, Witan. We're basically Witan right now, my people. And we're starting the video like this. Yeah, man, so we're going to show you guys some of the effects and, I don't know, devastation where Hurricane Melissa go on with in the Petersfield and surrounding areas. So we just turned on the street, on the road to go towards Petersfield, right here in Witan. And this is the first thing we have to show them. So since Hurricane Melissa, or yeah, a little before Hurricane Melissa, this was done to the road. They expanded the river up in Witan, Ancho. Yeah, for people, so the road now turn river. As far as you can see, my peeps, devastation. Look what going on. This is the way most of Westmoreland people make them house. So it's basically groove and tongue board and concrete block or columns. Board house, roof and tongue board on blocks or column. Now guys, devastation all about my people. I'm not sure no what going. Stay tuned. Like, share and comment and subscribe.
So come on and join me. They're on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this history.
So come on and check out this channel. Dual is YouTube channel, where it's all about showcasing Jamaica exotic places, people and things. Don't forget though, to like, subscribe, comment and share. You're here. Thank you.
Road Ton River. Oh boy. One man showing some of the devastation we're going. So we're heading towards Petersfield, people. Look at that. Roofless. So Petersfield, here we come. These are our farmlands. Most of the cattle they raise on them side here. Roof they gone, chop all in the news, keep it fence gone. Clinic top gone. Roof they gone as well. This is what's left of the church. Mighty God. Roof cave in. Wow. Like all on the ground like zinc all over the place. Alright, on the road as usual. Roof the gone. Solar burn the house. They're gone as well, people. Zinc all over the place. Are you blocking the road, G? Petersfield, roof gone. Lines down. Roof gone. Come and assault them, say no. Roof. Everybody roof gone. Partially. Or completely. God, look at the church. Church roof gone, boy. My. Petersfield. Now we are going to run past Shrewsbury Road just to walk around there. Roof gone. Tarpaulin over it. Roof they gone as well. This roof gone as well. And as I see guys at board house them. Board house. As pretty as them look at board house. Look at that. That was a shop. That there was a house. Roof gone. That big nice house, all that roof gone. Yeah man, so we have some of the world central kitchen people at this church here, giving out some hot meal and thing. As you guys can see, people line up. Thing I go on and them coming and see my people. Roof gone. Alright guys, so this is Petersfield Primary School. The one 3/4 of Petersfield Primary School. Roof gone. And then all of the roof are gone. 3/4 of the roof gone. Petersfield Primary School. Shop next door roof gone. Same sense and everybody else beside the roof now gone, what are they gone? Down on the ground. What's that gone? Roofless. Cha. Boy, look at the church here with people, you know, so just the other day, not too long ago, you have to realize the church is not too long ago. They put on the roof. Every house get touched. Every house get touched. One thing, you know, Starlink has become a thing in Jamaica, though. That's all I can say. Because everywhere you look, probably every other house or every couple house you look, Starlink. They're on the rooftop or they're on a vehicle or something. Floor tear down. See that one in the roof, guys. Come on, let's cover the front room. I go and stay there. Area, guys, it was a farming area, well known for cane farming. Bad road boy. Cane cart. Yeah, people, so as you can see, good, bad and indifference get hit by the hurricane, my people. Good, bad and indifference. Everybody get hit by the hurricane, as you guys can see. Right now, I'm in Amity, right next to Petersfield. Yeah? I'm in Amity, right next to Petersfield, guys, and everybody get damaged by the hurricane. It's just pure devastation, man. Pure devastation, my people. Look at that. Pure devastation. So the struggle is real, my people. The struggle is real. You see me? Everybody get it, man. When you come in at the Petersfield, strawberry, Burn Savannah, Strathbogie, Froome, Amity, all of them places, my people. Houses is damaged, both new and old. Look one over there, sir. I realize I Peter Paul in that, people. And look at that, that's a nice house. Look at what I saw there. It's a little upscale community, like, you know. Everybody get damaged. So, I got my people. So, you don't know what it. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys drop a comment, drop a suggestion. Make sure you guys like the video and continue supporting the channel. So, until next time, my people, I'm going to go and support the people. I'm going to go and support Jamaica, go and support the victims of Hurricane Melissa. Yeah, man, go and support them, people. And see you guys in the next one. Church, my people. It's a church right there. Low devastation on board, man. Petersfield and the surrounding areas. Right now, yeah, I see cattle. Amount of cattle, just like the amount of zinc where I see. Cattle and zinc just spread all over the place.